Hey, this is Steven from LegitTechTutorials, and welcome back to our product design series. We are back designing our shredder. Today is 11/6/2016, and so we have till the 16/17 in order to get this guy done. So I know I said I'm usually not going to be designing without a video, but I took the time to manually do the other shredder. So I just rotated this guy and did the shredder, and as you see, they're alternating, so they fit properly, as you see here. So this is where a spacer is, and this other one here is where this other spacer is. So they mesh together properly. As you see, it alternates here to spacer, no spacer, etc., etc. So that's all ready to go, and as you see, the teeth are also changed direction. Alright, so we're going to continue the assembly. So I thought of one thing that will be an issue is I want to have, these are going to be flange bearings here, and I don't really want to do a square in here because there's very few points of contact. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to have another spacer that you fit over, this guy, and then it allows you to, so there'll be another spacer that fits over, and then it goes inside the flange bearing. Alright, so with that, I'm going to do an offset. For the flange. So let's do a, which is 0.25. 0.25 is way too big. Huh. Why don't want to let me pick the other one? Whatever. And then with that, you're going to need another bearing spacer. And what we're going to do is we're just going to go back here and we're going to measure this circle, which is a 1.361. And then this is going to have inches. Inches. Okay. And then we're gonna have the square in the middle. I believe it's a 0.75. 0.75. So yeah, I just want to have some adequate space here. So now instead of having just these 4 points of contact on the bearing, I'm going to have the entire 360 contact on the bearing. And this is going to be 1/4 inch. And then this is going to be wait, where did I save that? I did save it in the shredder. Okay. Alright, so now I need to go back here and adjust the this feature. Alright. So there we are. So now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to have this guy mate with that face. And we're just going to assume that this is the bearing for right now, just as the visual. And then later I'll model the flanges with the specs that I'm actually going to get. But that's all up for change. You're okay. Okay. So we're back at this guy. I'm just gonna minimize that for right now. So it takes up a whole bunch of space. So I'm gonna put this guy here, and I'm going to rotate it upwards. And then I'm gonna rotate it around. And then I notice that I still have the sketch showing, but I don't have the sketch in here showing. Oh, I haven't saved it yet. Okay. Just hit here. Get latest. There we go. And then I'm going to need 2 of these flange bearing spacers. There's one. Put it over here somewhere. And rotate. Yeah, this assembly is getting pretty large where it's getting kind of laggy. And then go down here, flange bearing spacer, copy, paste, and there. Oh, we're gonna need this on all corners. So here's another one. There's 4. So obviously these might be a little longer at the end of this, but because the bearing is obviously going to be out here somewhere. Shh. So because the bearing is going to be out here somewhere, so this is probably going to have to be longer. This is just long enough to get a 1/4 inch on the gear. We're also going to have to design a gear that links these 2 together, so that you just have to put a wrench on one of these, and then I'll pick one of those arbitrarily. Alright, so let's pick a corner. Pick a corner here. This one we want to be a slider, and I think I messed that up. So again, go here all the way to the top, minimize that for right now, and we don't need this for right now. I might also have to change all these to rigid instead of slider, but you get the idea. Alright, ooh. What? Oh. That's perfect, okay. And then let's go ahead and do this other one here. This, we're gonna be off of this back corner. We're gonna be front edge. Front edge. Yep. Alright, that looks good. on thinking about any possible issues with that. There'll probably be a few issues that I'm already seeing. Or ones I might need a few of those spacers, or I might just have to weld it somehow over. I don't know why that one worked perfectly. Because I want these guys to fit together loosely, so I don't need bearings everywhere. So I want there to be some clatter of stuff fitting together not that great. So the idea is that these brackets here are going to be pressed together on both sides with bolts. So like you're gonna tension it, or you're going to like adjust it, with quotations right now, adjust it, so that these guys, you know, move together with as few bolts as humanly possible. But we're looking good right now. So let's go back here, and then these. So I'm trying to keep this guy clean. Oops. Okay, good. So I'm keeping all these guys in groups. So I'm going to create group, right click, rename. I'm going to call this spacers, I guess. Flange. Flange bearing spacer group. Then I'm going to put in the bracket. So it keeps my timeline nice and neat. Jesus, this thing gets really laggy sometimes. Okay. This is a selection set. Okay. So this is obviously our left and that's the right. So what we're going to do is we're going to do a rigid joint capture between Okay, so that's what I want. But why didn't it move the entire thing? I think what I need to do is I need to get this guy and then take it to that guy. That's what I'm looking for. And revolute on the there we go. Okay, let's hit this guy. This look good. It's clipping though. What the hell? These two different sizes? No, it's not. Okay, cool. So there you go. Or maybe I'll get rid of this part. Who knows? Alright, and then we're going to do another joint, and we're going to attach this guy to this guy. I don't know why it does that. Hopefully it just snaps it correctly. That'd be really nice. I think that's right. Boom. Nice. It's coming together, guys. It is coming together. Alright. So now can I do... Can I like grab one of these square drive shaft? Uh-oh. That's not good. So I am going to need to do it the other way around. Joint. I think. Now can I turn the drive shaft? Should be rotating in there. So why isn't that guy rotating? We're at 18 minutes. And that guy is not rotating how I would like it to rotate. It's just attaching the whole thing. Okay. So what's cylindrical? Okay, well, I guess I could turn it that way. Anyways, and then we're gonna do a joint here, joint there. Just revolve. Perfect. Alright, so I'm gonna have to somehow do that. I probably have to animate through just editing those limits. Alright. I'm gonna go down to all the way to the bottom. Front bracket. Gonna duplicate, copy. As my buddy used to say, copy pasta. I don't know why he said that, but whatever. Alright. Alright, cool. Okay. So let's go back over here. Let's go ahead and create another one. The circle here. And for whatever reason, it really likes to do a offset like that. I could already see that this guy is not all the way in there correctly. And that will be an issue. So let me see if I could. Yeah, it's not gonna. Alright, cool. And yeah, so kind of curious, should I finish it? Let's just finish it, and then maybe we'll run some simulations. Okay, so here's the side bracket. We got everything? No, we got everything. Here's the side bracket. Let's move this. Oh, well, I mean, we don't really need to move it, but you get the idea. So these are definitely going to have to be changed. Reason being is that they're too long. Actually, I want them to fit inside of here. You'll get the idea soon enough. Let me see. Let's just go ahead and create capture position. This is going to be rigid. Its face. And plus, I actually haven't done. What the hell? Component 2. Oh yeah, I have to pick a reference point on the first one. So let's do like. This top corner, this top corner. The reason being is it actually will fit inside of here properly. Now you think about it, it will fit inside here properly. Because, yeah, it will. It'll fit inside properly. Okay. I think. Let's find out. Because I didn't take into effect these 2/4 inches. Okay. Oh. And then this should be 1/4 inch in. Oh, no, we are missing something. What the hell is going on? Boom. Yep. I forgot we are missing something. We're missing the pieces that go in here. I forgot. So what I'm going to do instead... Ooh, shit. Oh, okay, good. What I'm going to do instead is I'm going to put the guys on this guy here, and then I'll put them in there. I forgot the half moons, that's what I'm saying. So let's go ahead and move this guy back over here. We're at 26 minutes. Now what I'll do here is from here to there, I'm going to create a group. These are called front back brackets. Okay. And now this is going to be side bracket. Okay, so let's go ahead and drop in one of our half moons. Yeah, that scared me. Let's save this. And there's our little image. Okay, spacer half moon. Let's go ahead and go to a orthographic or a perspective view. And then this bad boy gotta go that way. Alright, so this is going to be the... Let's go ahead and rename this. I'll have to rename it in here. But I'm going to rename this to left bracket because as you see it's going to be a different order. Okay, so this one is going to be offset. And these should be the same size, right? No, yes, no. Yes, yes, okay. Alright, capture position. And then what this guy's gonna do. Oops. Okay, and then this first guy. Oops. It's going to be over 1/4 inch. Okay, and then on and on and on and on. And I'll probably do that in between videos just to speed this up, just like I did before. It's going to be exact same thing. We'll see. But we're at the end of this video. We're at 30 minutes. So this has been Steven from LegitTechTutorials. I thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe for more videos like it in this series and other series as well. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Take it easy.